Popular payment processing platform Square has just released a new banking product that's something you really need to know about if you're a business owner. So you probably are familiar with Square. Square is a platform that makes it easy for you as a business owner to accept payments from your customers. And in 2019, they actually released a debit card product that makes it even easier to tap into the money you're processing from your customer's payment and actually access that cash. Well, now here in 2021, they have just released Square Banking, where you can now access a checking and savings account through Square as well. And here's how it works. Basically, with Square's checking account, there's no credit check, there's no minimum balance, there's no actual cost to open up the account at all. There's not even a credit check involved to open up the bank account. So now your Square processed payments can go right into your Square checking account. You can even set aside a certain percentage to go into savings. So it's really kind of cool. It makes it really easy for you to process payments from your customers, access the money easily by going into your checking account and using a debit card to access those funds, and then even set aside a little bit of money and put it in there for savings. Now, you only earn about 0.5% on the account, so you're not going to make a lot as you do with any other checking account or savings account. But again, a really cool option to be able to manage all of your money with Square in one place. Now, they also have a loan product you should know about as well. And with their loan product, you can actually get money from Square. And again, it's still in a beta stage, so they're still testing how high a loan amounts they're going to give. But then your payback actually comes automatically out of the payments that you're processing daily with Square. All that's really required is that you have to at least make a minimum payment every 60 days. So really easy, really affordable money to be able to get for your business as well. So if you want to learn more, make sure you go to squareup.com. And this is becoming an all-around really cool solutions for business owners, giving you the ability to process payments, have access to a checking account, have access to a savings account, debit card, and even loans all in one place. To check it out and learn more, go to squareup.com. And if you'd like more information outside of Square on getting money for your business, give us a call as well. Because on a free consultation call with us, we're going to do a funding assessment to talk to you about all the funding you can qualify for now. We'll do a fundability check to see all the things that are wrong with fundability that are going to prevent you from getting approved for credit and financing. And we'll help you get your business credit reports for free with Dun & Bradstreet Equifax Experian. They cost $250 from the bureaus. We get them for you at no cost. We go over those with you and give you tips and tactics to build your business credit. It's all 100% free. All you have to do to grab it is give us a call at 877-600-2487. That's 877-600-2487. You can also email info@creditsuite.com, or you can schedule your consult online at creditsuite.com/consult.